So this title says Glock G47 Stolen. I'm gonna be all the way 1,000 with y'all. I never expected a gun store to let a theft happen for real, because I feel like shit, it's a gun store. Like, that's like literally, that's like trying to rob a gun store, gang. Why would you try to rob a gun store when they have guns? You feel me? So why would you try to steal a gun when they have guns? You feel me? But clearly somebody got away, and I hope this don't open up a door for everybody else to think they'll be able to get away. But I want to see how it went down. I want to see how smooth and slick it was, because there had to be some slick shit going on for this to go down the way it did. Because there's no way you just came in here and stole a gun from a gun store. Like, not from a person, not from a car, not while they was closed. They were dead open.
Yeah. There were things people put together.
Hold on, because I can't see.
Here's my credentials. Here's my go bag in the truck.
So it's clearly Buddy with the book bag and the gray jacket on. He's scoping out the scenery.
We need you so and so areas. You need to be here, you need to be here.
Wait, before you skip this part of the video, y'all like good quality clothes at a decent price? Y'all tired of being taxed by all these other streetwear brands, all these other companies, and y'all tired of waiting 20 years for that product? Well, you at the right place, because who beat the price? We do. So make sure y'all check out my Instagram. I can text this number on the screen to be added to my SMS list, or y'all could just go follow the gram and be updated from there. You feel me? I'm not gonna force y'all to join no list unless y'all want to be early, because everything is pre-made, which means it will sell out really fast. So I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video, because we about to get back to it in 3, 2. Did you look at the camera?
Either way.
You're looking at all the big guns. I don't see him looking at no pistols yet. Everybody else is distracted. When was this? Is that May 23rd, 2024? Or is that August 23rd, 2024? I can't tell. Hey, let's get to the hot shit, gang. Because he just stalling around right now. Nobody can ask him, do you need help or anything? Like, what if he really came in there to buy something and they like, he like, gang, y'all not even like greeting nigga. I ain't hear no, hey, how are you? Welcome to the greenest gun store. You feel me? Nothing. He just walked in, started searching around. Another worker. Still just walking around, stalling. 3 minutes into walking.
The ARs, these are 308.
Wait, is he talking to him right now?
Yes, sir. Okay.
So the sound quality not that good on it.
Anything with assault rifle is going to be the ARs, these are 308, 5.56, 7.62s. And we got the micro down there as well. That's 7.62 AK micro. Sure, you got the driver's license. Yeah. And your address is? But what is it?
Oh, that nigga said, and your address is? That nigga said, it's on there. All right, well, that's my type of response. Why are you asking me my address? Gang, like, do I not look like the person that's on the ID? Oh, he gave him the ID back? I thought he was holding it as, like, collateral. That's what they need. Oh, Big Dre Keisha. Big Dre Keisha. I think what they need to start doing is holding it as collateral while they're looking at the weapon. Because however, I don't know. No way. Oh, good school shooter.
Okay.
Why is bro putting on gloves?
You guys busy with this?
I'm pretty good.
Mark, this is my set, man.
Why is bro putting on gloves?
Nice looking guns. What year was Mickey Mouse? I mean, what year?
That's this year. Everything on this wall is new this year. That should be a Ruger. Got the top size on the right. You know this one? Okay. I got another one just like it.
Bro got his whole back turned to get.
I'm gonna look at the Glock.
Yeah, big fun. Get the gun first.
It took him 4 minutes to scope out the scenery. You feel me? And then it took him another 4 minutes to get out of there with a gun. That's OD. No way. No way he reach over. He probably gonna grab the first gun he see. Cause I ain't gonna lie, a G47 is not the one. Alright, which Glock I want?
I mean, that's the last one I got. Which one were you looking at? 10.
It's still people in the store. Like, no citizens arrest. No, nothing. What city or state is this in? Okay.
Sure. That's the third situation.
Gen 3 Glizzy.
Actually, was an issue. Two pins more. So the weight balance issue. Going from my hand to my arm.
Okay.
You want to hold the air and watch that 10 times?
Yes.
Weight ratio.
I don't know that. Okay. I'm allowed to do one gun at a time. I'm like a jewelry store gun. That's a 47 9mm.
He put a. Oh! You knew he was out. Gang! You knew he was gone. Bro put that strap. Bro put both his straps on. He put his book bag in sport mode. And it was raps. Whoa! Hey, I ain't gonna lie, he run slow as shit. Both of them run slow. Cause a young nigga could have caught up with his ass. I ain't gonna lie. Cause look how bro take off. Look how bro take off.
47 9mm.
Look. Let's see how long after. 29, 28, 27, 26. 4 seconds. 4 seconds. No hesitation. Didn't think about it.
Alright.
No, that's OD. Gang. That's OD. Whoa. Where was that at? Like, that old white man had no chance, gang. That old white man had no chance. He got to start, like, you got to start keeping your eyes open, paying attention to certain stuff. And it's like, yeah, I see the title so I know what's going on, but it's still points that you should pay attention to in the real world. Like, the book bag put on, the stall outs, the questions that he asking, you feel me? You can know what's a stall question versus like a real genuine question. If you can't tell the difference between that, you probably not a good communicator, you feel me? Or you probably don't be stalling yourself. Cause I be stalling a lot and sometimes I be having a good conversation. So I could pinpoint what, and then you can see what's going on. Like, he was super comfortable and stuff when he put the book bag down, then he picked it back up. He walked in with it on one arm. Why would you need to put it on 2 arms? Why would you need to put it on 2 arms? Like, no way. No way you was that uncomfortable when you had 7 minutes beforehand to put it on 2 arms, you feel me? That was crazy. He took off with in 4 seconds out of the store. Whoa. Whoa.